Your English grammar may look correct, but it still sounds wrong. That's because you're breaking one basic rule without knowing it. Today, I'll teach you one English rule that fixes more than 100 speaking mistakes. Most learners try to memorize sentences, but memorization never builds confidence. Professional English comes from understanding rules, not copying lines. This video will change how you think about English forever. Here is the rule. In English, time decides the verb, not the sentence. If you control time, your grammar controls itself. English has 3 basic times: present, past, future. Every sentence must follow only one time, is, am, and are used only for present time. They describe what is happening now. I am tired. I am tired yesterday. She is busy today. She is busy last night. Why is this wrong? Because yesterday is past, not present. When the time is past, English switches automatically. Is becomes was. Are becomes were. Yesterday, last night, last year. All need past verbs. I was tired yesterday. They were at home last night. Future time is simple. If something hasn't happened yet, use will or going to. I will call you tomorrow. She is going to start a new job next week. Never mix present verbs with future time. Now watch how this one rule fixes many mistakes instantly. I am late yesterday. I was late yesterday. We are free last night. We were free last night. He will going tomorrow. He will go tomorrow. Notice something important. We didn't memorize anything. We only followed time. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and choose the correct verb. She was very happy last year. Time always gives you the answer. Good English is not fast English. It is clear English. If you master time, your grammar will stop confusing you. This is how confident speakers think.